scared of him. I do not know. Heel. Whoa! Sally. Ain't that something? I healed. Oh, Daniel got in him. Daniel, I thought I heard you shooting over there.
I still got shield.
Yeah. I know I heard you shooting that time. I may have got that on video. Uh-oh. Like that gun a little better now, don't you?
Yeah, well, it shoots. Bring it here, honey girl. Honey. Bring me that bird.
All right, tell me what you're doing.
All right, so we got some quail that have been in a sweet tea brine 24 hours.
What's in your brine?
Sweet tea and a quarter cup of kosher salt. And then put them in buttermilk, batter them, and fry them.
Okay, and what kind of batter are you using?
Secret recipe.
No,
it's Louisiana chicken fry.
And the shaker?
In the shaker.
What's the shaker?
It's just something to keep from making such a big mess.
What's the name brand of it there?
LEM.
LEM. All right, show us how the shaker works.
I need a towel. You got a paper towel?
Well, here's one right here, but I
That'll
can
work. That'll be fine.
Nothing to it, huh?
Nothing to it. Now they're ready to fry. As soon as the grease gets hot enough, which is perfect.
What's the grease got to be at?
At least 350.
350, at least.
That's 365 now, which that'll be fine.
Oh, yeah, look at it frying up. And how long do you leave them in for?
Till they're done.
How do you tell when they're done?
They float.
All right. Same with your fish and everything else you
Just
fry,
like
right?
cooking fish. Happy said when they float, they're done.
That's right. Pappy said if they float and you don't cook them any longer, or you overcooking them. Listen to that sizzle. All right, Dan, what you making now?
Cream spinach. To go with cheese grits, fried quail.
So what do you do with the cream spinach?
Put a little butter, spinach, cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, and mozzarella cheese.
And do you bring it to a boil or just cook it to cook it to heat?
Just cook it to heat.
These are homemade cream puffs.
Oh, they're homemade cream puffs.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, these are cream puffs filled with vanilla pastry cream, a custard cream, with homemade whipped cream folded into the custard, and macaroons with vanilla buttercream.
And the bottom?
Same thing.
Same thing. Okay. All right.
Okay.
I'm about to try one of Leah's macaroons.
He's not going to pay for it. No.
Oh, it's like tasting air,
He's not going to.
but fantastic.
It's sweet.
It's sweet.
Yes.
It's sweet.
No.
Oh, it's so good.
See, my next venture is to flavor. This is ready.
Angela, tell us what you're making.
I made homemade guacamole.
Okay.
So you use
Give me. Yep.
Haas avocados with some Roma tomatoes, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, pepper, and lime juice. Smash it, mix it together, and eat with a tortilla chip.
Okay,
Yummy!
Rebecca or Libby, try it and tell me what y'all think.
Libby, she can be on video. Okay. Get a good mount. There you go. Miles wide.
Oh, that's amazing. One thumbs up. Two thumbs up. Okay. Tell me what you think. Here's the quail and peach chutney.
She loves the aroma of the.
I expected nothing less.
Okay. Rebecca?
Yum.
Yeah. Libby? Leah?
Go ahead.
Oh, go ahead.
It's really good.
It's really good. Megan?
It's amazing.
A
little spicy. I mean,
It's got a little kick.
got a kick. I like it. I can taste it.
And we have all the ladies over
When
here.
did you make the peach chutney?
eating at a beautiful dinner table with the chandelier.
That's beautiful.
And we have the help in here eating. Steve, what's your favorite part?
All of it.
That's the politically correct answer. Dan?
Macaroons.
The macaroons.
So good.
All right.
Oh my goodness.
Somebody tell me what their favorite part of the dish is.
Can you let us know?
You told us to eat the quail first.
Well, maybe that was your favorite part.
I said my favorite part is the chef.
Wink, wink.
And now that it's X-rated,
Oh my goodness.
That was PG.
That was PG.
Yeah, hadn't gotten that bad yet.
Yeah.
All right, anybody want to comment on anything else?
It's very good.
Yes.
All of it.
Why don't you eat?
Because I like filming you beautiful ladies.
You can put that in your video. too.
Beautiful, as elegant as a lake as the sun is setting.
Wow. He's making a haiku now.
oh, the spinach is really good.
It
too.
is. It is.
Ah.
I like it with the grits. Like together.
What did you put in the spinach?